The in-group bias is a psychological phenomenon influencing how we see ourselves and others. It's not just a theory, it's a part of our everyday life. Imagine walking into a room. You instantly feel a connection with people who share your interests or background. That's the in-group bias at work. This bias shapes our perceptions, judgments, and behaviors. It's not always bad. It can create a sense of belonging and community. But there's a flip side. It can lead to prejudice, discrimination, and conflict. Why does this happen? Our brain loves shortcuts. It categorizes people into us and them. This simplifies our complex world. Studies show that we're wired to favor our in-group. This is evident in sports. Fans passionately support their team while often disliking rival teams. It's not just about preference, it's about identity. Our brain associates our in-group with positive attributes while often stereotyping out-groups. But why does this matter? Understanding the in-group bias is crucial in today's diverse world. It affects workplaces, schools, and social interactions. Overcoming it requires self-awareness and effort. Recognizing our own biases is the first step. It's about challenging our assumptions and expanding our circles. Research highlights a powerful tool: exposure. Engaging with diverse groups reduces prejudice. It's not about token interactions, it's about meaningful connections. These experiences rewire our brain, fostering empathy and understanding. Consider the media's role. It often reinforces stereotypes, feeding the in-group bias. We need to critically evaluate the information we consume. Are we only hearing one side of the story? Are we exposed to diverse perspectives? The in-group bias also influences politics. Political polarization is a prime example. It's not just about differing opinions, it's about seeing the other side as the enemy. This mindset hinders constructive dialogue and solutions. But we can change this narrative. Promoting inclusivity and diversity is key. It's about creating environments where different voices are heard and valued. It's about moving beyond tolerance to genuine acceptance. In conclusion, the in-group bias is a powerful force. It shapes our interactions and worldviews. By understanding and addressing it, we can build a more inclusive and empathetic society. It's a journey worth taking, for a better world, for a better us.